Hello community, I hope you are doing good. In this discussion we will see how to set default order by or how to you can set the limits of the records in the list view. And in case you missed previous discussion about how to add button in the list view and it will automatically open the form view, please check, link is given in the description. If you want to learn more about Odoo, you can visit the WebLearns channel. Under the home screen you can see Odoo tutorial available, and right now we are working on this playlist. If you are a beginner and want to learn from the beginning, you can visit this playlist because this is the main playlist and those are the topic wise sub playlist available. Alright, so let's back to our main topic. Guys, if you didn't subscribe this channel, please subscribe, it will help me a lot. Plus you will get the latest notification about the upcoming sessions. So by default, let's say going to the student in the hobby, you can see by default this is ascending with the ID, right? For example, let's say I want to override this order by here. How I can do it? Using the list view, right? This is very easy. So you can go to here in the custom add-ons, students, views, the hobby views, and simple here you can do one more thing is you can use here default underscore order, right? So this attribute we have to use under this list view, the list tag. Here ID we have to provide, like here you can also add any field name. Okay, then after the descending, for the descending we have to use the space between the field name and the descending keyword. So this keyword we have to use only this one. By default if you don't provide anything, so it will automatically use the ascending order. So already ascending order is there, so I'm using here the descending order. Okay, and simple I will try to upgrade the module -u and student. Guys, if you don't know how to configure Odoo in PyCharm, please check editor level playlist. So I already upgraded the module and I'm trying to refresh the screen, and now you can see here it's ascending order, right? And now you can see here it's a descending order. You can see here, right? One more thing is the create date. So let's say ID descending order, comma, create date with the ascending order. So what it does is first it will order by this one, and then after it will automatically order by the create date, right? Let's say I'm trying to upgrade the module and refresh the screen. So there is no change you can see here, right? Now let's see here, let's see the name. Sorry, the first one is the name, the create date with the descending order. Okay, and now you can see here. So by the way, I'm just trying to provide you the multiple options. Okay, so once this session is finished, so almost your question would be also resolved. Let's say refresh the screen, and you can see here it's by default based on the name, right? Then after the creation date you can see descending order, right? So first one is the last one, like the created with this date, and you can see observe the time also, right? Not only the date, the time, right? And then record. So like this way you can add the default order by in the list view. Another thing is the limit. Okay, by default limit is 80 records limit here. So in case you want to reduce that limit, so simple you can also use here the limit as attribute, and you can add as per your requirement, you can set the limit. Okay, in my case I'm trying to use 10 only, and I am trying to refresh the screen. You can see total 14 record is available, and now you can see here total 10 record is available, and now you can see, right? So like this way you can add limits in the list view. So guys, if you still have any doubt related to these two topics, please comment below and see you in our next session.